Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to access the patient's clinical and medical information. A patient's clinical and medical information can consist of previous scripts or doctor's notes, medical history, sick notes, and various other important records. Having access to prior clinical and medical information can give the practitioner an indication of what might be wrong with the patient, and can advise the practitioner of what health issues the patient might be at risk for. A patient's clinical history can be accessed from two places: the diary sidebar and the debtors sidebar. First, let us go over how to access the clinical history from the diary sidebar. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the clinical history button. The clinical history screen will open. For more information on the clinical history screen, please refer to the clinical history user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will go over how to access a patient's clinical history from the debtors sidebar. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. Click on the debtors segment to open the debtors screen. Type the desired debtor's ID number, name, surname, or medical aid number into the search bar to automatically begin filtering results. Click on the desired debtor to open the debtors sidebar. Click on the clinical history button. The clinical history screen will open.